This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the target Google Sheet and making sure it's the active tab. Once done, confirm whether you need to change browser zoom or the sheet's own display zoom. Use the View menu or the small zoom indicator in the toolbar. If you don't see it, click the three-dot menu at upper right. You need this setup so the next steps adjust only what you intend, either the entire page or just the sheet's canvas. Now change the zoom using the method you chose. If using Sheets View Zoom, pick a preset such as 50%, 75%, 100%, or 200% to scale the grid and menus together. If you prefer quick toggles, open the toolbar zoom drop-down and select a value. For finer control, use the browser zoom shortcuts, press Ctrl, or CMD plus minus or plus, which alters the whole page including Chrome and sidebars. Make sure to observe content wrapping and freeze panes after adjusting. Finish by reviewing the sheet layout. Check column widths, row heights, and frozen rows to ensure readability. If the view looks wrong, reset zoom to 100% in Sheets or the browser. This often restores expected layout. If problems persist, for example, menus overlap or controls vanish, clear the browser cache, disable interfering extensions, or try an incognito window to rule out profile issues. Finally, save or share your preferred zoom setting so you and collaborators see the same view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.